What's going on, guys? Hello, welcome back. I am back here today with more Roblox. So, if you want to be my friend, I have plenty of spaces opened. Right here, spell this in. Hold on. JUDHDYGD. Right here. You gotta type that in up there. In the players. You're gonna look at it. Once you look at it, it'll bring you to this. Players results. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this right here. This is me. You're gonna click that, and then once you click that, you're gonna friend me, and then I will accept, because you guys are my fans. All fans, subscribe. Check out FGTEEV's channel too. He's a really good YouTuber, and he just posted a new video of his song, his second place song. So, and that's all I wanted to say for this video. But there, and now you know how to friend me. See you guys later. I'm out.